Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable and actually delete the ColorPick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension from your Google Chrome browser. So what you have to do is go over to extensions right here, and then from there you can go to manage extensions. From there, it'll basically bring you to this all extensions section, and that will show you every single extension is currently installed on your browser. From there, let's go to the ColorPick Eyedropper extension right here, and there's a toggle button, and currently it's toggled on, so it means that it's activated. You can go there and toggle it off, and it will turn off this particular Google Chrome extension. But from there, if you actually wanted to remove it from your browser entirely, you could go to this remove button, and then you have to confirm the removal right here by pressing remove again. And then from there, guys, we have basically successfully removed and disabled the ColorPick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension. Just to confirm, you can go back up to extensions right here, manage extensions, and we can see there used to be 5 extensions, now there's only 4. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.